Should you sell your house as is or not? I get this question a lot. So a lot of times people are selling their house as is. It doesn't mean there's something wrong with the house. Just maybe the seller, either physically or financially, they're not able to do repairs, if any are required. They're just saying, look, we're selling it as is, clean, hassle-free. Zev?
Yeah, there's pros and cons on both ends of the spectrum. And as Dom mentioned, it's not always within your ability or financial, appetite to be able to do that. So what you can do is you can reach out to an expert to give you some guidance on that. What I typically find is if you are selling it as is, you'll probably get a little bit less money for your house, but you're doing less work to get it show ready. Now, it may take longer on the market. So how do I know whether I should sell as is or not? That's where we come in to help give you the guidance. And at the end of the day, you make the decision that's best for you and your family. Dom, how about you?
Well, if I had a crystal ball, I could give you that answer, but I don't. But this is my experience. So you think of a funnel, right? So you have a house on the market. Some say turnkey perfect, HG ready, HGTV ready, and some are as is. So I think a skeptical person would say, well, if you're selling it as is, what's wrong with it? That's the first thing we get. And like you guys mentioned, it could be economics. It could be, just I don't really have contacts. But here's what I say. So you have a property on the market, it's location, condition, and price. So maybe the condition isn't perfect, but the price reflects that. So you still may make more money than you expect. So what happens is if I'm a person that's an HGTV person, I might say, I'm just not gonna look at it because I want a turnkey house. So you narrow that funnel down to the people that maybe are handy and they don't mind a little sweat equity and they're looking for the best location for the best price and it's a better fit for them. So you can win in the as-is arena as well. So I think the most important thing is to have a consultation with one of the professionals, take a look at your individual situation, and we give you the best guidance that would help you. So if you want to reach out to one of us, Dom, how do they get a hold of you?
Yeah, you can call or text me at 330-234-6204.
Call or text 330-933-3258.
Or 330-418-1535. If you want to see what you'll experience working with our team, go to DominicFonte.com and check out our more than 485 5-star reviews.